Hey, Jim again from Delano Mountain Custom Models. We've got a pair of Santa Fe units, an FP45 on the left and a SD45-2 on the right, and that was a non-sound unit to which I added Tsunami sound. They both have a EMD 645 decoder in it, and I think these are both addressed to their road number, so yep. And the 45-2 already had the beacon light on it, so we got that all set up. And that's just the Western strobe. There's a single strobe or a double strobe. There's like 3 other strobes that you can do with that one. But that turned out pretty good. So up. That's my fault. Let me get the step speed right. There we go. And the FP45. All the metal grills were removed, painted black underneath. Little technical difficulties here. As I was saying, both of the all the grills on the FP45 were removed, painted underneath, and then put back on again. They were painted black underneath, and that's what gives it that technique. So now you can see the contrast in black that should be under there, not blue, and black instead of yellow, the way it comes out of the box. And again, the SD45-2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And I got some more models I'm going to be doing this weekend, but that was quite a bit I did in that one stretch. That was 10 models. So, all right. See you guys later. Bye.